What's up guys, welcome back to our channel TechnoMIX. In this new video we are going to show you how you can edit HDR effect in Lightroom application. Add your image in Lightroom application and follow each and every steps properly. The image is not that clear, so we will adjust it using the curve tool. Go to Lights. Click on the curve on the top. Curve is the best way to edit any of your images. There are basically four main parts in curve: white, red, green and blue. The last one is for lights. In the curve, the top right point is for highlights and the bottom left point is for shadow. If you increase or decrease the point, the highlights or shadow will increase or decrease for the color selected. Step 1. Select 3 points on curve. Make the curve look like S. Adjust the curve properly so that the image looks perfect. You need to understand the shadow and highlights for proper curve edit by practicing. Our image is more clear than the previous one. To make our photo awesome, we will do some more edits. Watch the video till end, don't miss out any of the steps. Subscribe to our channel if you are new. Step 2. Color grading. We will do it easily with grading tool. Click on the symbol besides done. Now you can change the saturation, hue and luminance of two colors together. You can change it by clicking on the part of the image where you want to change the saturation, hue or luminance. Do the grading perfectly for your photo. All images have different grading tones. Watch it till end to understand the video perfectly. Step 3. Details and sharpness. Watch all the changes perfectly for HDR effect. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you loved our simple editing trick. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't till now.